What's up guys, it's Adam Della here with Truphae, back at it again with another video. Today we're looking at a pen's pen, a Visconti, but not just any Visconti. This is a limited edition Visconti. Whoa, I'm talking of course about the 2021 Visconti Tuscan Hills. They say that it's made from a blend of acrylic and celluloid. On the cap here, we have our classic Visconti B magnet. You can take those out and change them with gemstones or your initials or what have you. To continue down, we have the iconic clip, an homage to a bridge in Florence, which is where Visconti's headquarters is located and where the pins are made. We have got the classic two silver bands here. These are the sterling silver on every Homo sapien. They're kind of the icon of the line. Whether it's different materials, you're always going to find these two bands here. And sometimes you might find a couple more bands, if you're lucky. Hang on, I got to interrupt my own video here. If you comment what you love most about fountain pens, you'll automatically be entered to win the Sailor King of Pen Lucky Charm. So comment what you love most about fountain pens below. All right, now back to the video. Band here, which is the main band, where you have two engraved lines, and then beneath it, it says Homo Sapiens, as you will find on these pens. I just am absolutely in love with this kind of translucent, like semi-translucent green you have going on here. I mean, I'm seeing blacks, I'm seeing grays, deep greens. I mean, it's just a lot going on in that. And I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking pen right there. The power filler back here unscrews, and you can see it kind of matches the cap a little bit in the darkness. Just so satisfying. So what happens is it creates a vacuum back here and fills up with ink, and then as you push down, it creates a vacuum back here, and then there's a point, you'll hear that point where the ink will come through above the vac filler. Right there, you can hear it. Love that sound. So on this one, it's a extra fine. It's an 18 karat gold nib from Visconti, manufactured in-house by Visconti. These nibs are amazing. I absolutely love every Visconti nib I have. This section here feels so good when you hold it. It's lighter weight than my Homo Sapiens Evolutions, which I really like. Very tempting for me to feel these pens because it just is such a good weight, and it has the amazing form factor of Homo Sapiens, just even lighter, so it just feels even better in the hand. It does post. I'm not crazy about it posted. It gets a little back heavy here. I don't know many people I've seen that would post, but it is an option if you're a Hulk. The feed is plastic. It's a plastic feed, ABS plastic. Wonderful feed. Never have any issues with their feeds. So they're always feeding the ink like a dang mother bird or something. These are limited edition. There's 888 of them. I'm not sure what it is about 888, but that's a number they like apparently. Anyways, that was the Homo Sapiens. Anyways, this is the Visconti Homo Sapiens limited edition demonstrator, Tuscan Hills edition. Just a gorgeous pen. I mean, you can really see the inspiration. You kind of have some faded greens and darker blacks and darker greens, and it just comes together so beautifully in this pen. It really, stands out amazingly from just a normal Homo Sapiens, and yet has all of the efficiency and beautiful feeling that the Evolutions and the Bronze Age and the Dark Age all have. And obviously you got that hook lock. Love that. Very satisfying there. Love that. Anyways, make sure you check out the Visconti Homo Sapiens Tuscan Hills. It is a beautiful pen. It's limited edition, so it will be selling out just like the other limited editions that they've made. So don't regret not getting this pen and pick yours up. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button. But until next time, a penman salute to you!